wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best wide-angle phone lenses. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the Techo Universal comes with both a wide-angle and a macro lens and will work with iPhones and Android devices. As with other offerings in this price range, though, it will produce some vignetting and ghosting. It's equipped with a universal 37mm thread clamp, however close-ups with it can be blurry and it blocks the flash. At number 7, even if all the components aren't the absolute best quality, you'd be hard-pressed to find a better value than the Xenvo Pro Kit. For around the same price as many competing models, it comes with 2 lenses, a carrying case, and a rechargeable LED light for illuminating subjects. It also includes a lanyard and features rectilinear correction, but it won't work with some phone cases. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the Ztylus Designer Revolver M series is a robust all-in-one system that pairs a case with 3 sets of lenses and includes everything from wide-angle to fisheye. These flip out easily to align with your phone's lens. It's available in many designs and suitable for the iPhone X and XS. However, it doesn't allow for wireless charging. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wide-angle phone lenses, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Sirui 3-in-1 kit is made with German shot glass and aircraft-grade aluminum. It comes packaged in a rugged case you can carry easily thanks to a built-in carabiner. It mounts very securely and the case is lined with foam padding, but it does cost more than many. Halfway up our list at number 4. While most clip-ons tend to feel somewhat cheap and insubstantial, the Black Eye Pro Cinema Wide G4 boasts a rugged, solidly built design, almost like a DSLR lens. It arrives with a universal attachment clip as well as a microfiber pouch and a cloth for cleaning it. It's assembled by hand and provides good clarity. It'll work on both front and rear cameras. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the copedvic PLK01 is compatible with all phones that have the center of their lens less than 1 3/4 inches from their top edge. Its 22x telephoto lens can help you shoot subjects from a distance, though note it has a fixed focal length and can't zoom. This set includes a 205-degree fisheye lens, an extendable metal tripod, and a 25x macro lens for close-up shots. At number 2, while most options in this category include a single lens or a 3-in-1 unit that unscrews, the criacr 9-in-1 offers a variety of lenses, including 2 wide-angle options and a 198-degree fisheye. It all comes in a zippered storage case with a carabiner, and the set includes a 2x telephoto lens. It comes in at a good price for the selection you get. And coming in at number 1 on our list, boasting cinema-grade glass and capable of producing DSLR quality images. The Moment 18mm wide is for serious people looking to take their smartphone images to a new level, yet still keep their gear lightweight and easy to carry. It works well for videos too and is made from aerospace metal. It corrects distortions well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wide-angle phone lenses, or simply click beneath this video.